always find this particular catamaran interesting. It's down here at Arlington on the Columbia River. Beautiful little anchorage. Grain port for the surrounding farms. I was able to identify this once. I don't know if I could get back into my old posts and see, but it was made locally, at least in Washington. 2 dagger boards, a very interesting all-weather cockpit back here, full drain out the back originally, now blocked with a board, open deck, couple crawl-in type cabins. Good rig. It's a sloop rig, well supported. Yeah, she's quite the boat. Of course, seen a little weathering and older design, no doubt, but of interest to me. I find this thing particularly interesting, and she's here every year. Don't know if she just lives here permanently or has in fact been put in for the summer. Cool, huh?